Hi guys, want to give you guys a quick look at the Saim ABS waterproof junction box. As you can see here, we'll give you guys a quick look at this product. If you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and open this up. We have a preview of what you'll receive in here. There you have the junction box, just like that. Here you guys a quick look at all. That's pretty much there is to this junction box. So if you're looking to purchase this or any of these type of products, please visit the link in the description below. Great quality purpose, waterproof as well, as you can see. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please visit the link in the description below, and have a great day.